Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to install Discord on Huawei Nova 13. Let's begin. Now, we could easily just go into App Gallery and search for Discord right here. However, there is one simple issue. The App Gallery kinda sucks. And as you can see, we have an Discord, but when we try to click it, the site will warn us that it is provided by a third-party application and will be just transferred into something somewhere in the internet. Obviously, if you trust, Huawei, a very nice company, you can just easily press install. I'm not going to judge. However, I will showcase you a different way, and it is by using GSpace. If you're wondering what GSpace is and how to install it and how to use it, we do have a tutorial on that. It's called how to install Google Play Store on your Huawei. And after you follow all the steps, you will be able to just easily open and use Google Play Store, which would be otherwise banned for you since you are using Huawei phone. Like, what did you expect? Oh, and as you can see, we have Discord right here, and all we have to do is just press install. And now we are installing our Discord the safe way. As you can see, it's even verified by Play Protect, and it wouldn't be that much safe if you would just simply download it from a different source. As you can see, we have an issue. In order to fix it, all you have to do is just restart GSpace. I encountered a similar problem when I was recording how to install Facebook, if I remember correctly. I believe it has something to do with the size of the application, as Discord is pretty big. Yeah, I think it's like 90, I don't know, but it is pretty large. So let's go back here, Discord, and simply hit install, and let's try that one more time. If the issue keeps popping up, well, restarting the application helped me, the GSpace I mean. And if it's still not working, I would advise you to restart your phone also. But as you can see, a simple restart is more than enough. And after it's installed, we can just easily open our Discord here, and we can register or log in. And keep in mind though that this is not a real Discord, it's still something from GSpace. As you can see, if we go to GSpace, we now have this little handy shortcut for opening all our little applications. Big con of it is that there are ads. There are lots of ads. But hey, at least you're not playing around with App Gallery. And as you can see, we can just hit that and we open Discord. Keep in mind though that you can't open Discord here because, well, there is no Discord here. We don't have Discord installed on the device, as we are using Discord that is hosted by GSpace via cloud for us. And I think that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.